This is a hotel review of my stay at Sebel in Canberra. In this hotel review, I'll show you around the room, the facilities, and everything else you'll need to know before booking your stay here. Hello and welcome back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we would love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Recently, we stayed at the Sebel in Canberra. We chose this hotel because we needed something with convenient parking as we were road tripping, and we also needed a hotel that would allow pets. Once we arrived at the hotel, we were quickly checked in and then headed straight up to our room. I already could tell before we even got to our room that this felt like a very modern hotel. First impressions of the room were really good. The bathroom was really modern and it looked very clean. There was extra toiletries as well, which is always a nice touch if you've forgotten anything. And there was a hairdryer, which is always handy. The shower was spacious and it had a waterfall shower head, and again, a few extra toiletries in there as well. I love that you can book hotel rooms in Canberra that have washing machines, which is always handy while you're traveling. We also found a safe in the cupboard as well. There was everything you'd need as well if you're planning to stay for quite a few nights. We found a kettle, a toaster, there was a coffee station, there was a stove as well. There was also a mini bar on the counter, but this would be an additional fee. The room itself was set up quite well. There was a desk area with a TV on top of it, and we had a large bed in the center of the room, which was very comfortable. And there were PowerPoints on each side of the bed. There was a wardrobe that had additional blankets, and there was an iron and an ironing board. And there was a balcony that looked out into a street that was very quiet. We heard no noises during the night. The hotel wasn't a far walk from the main area. It took about 20 minutes, and there were plenty of restaurants around if you didn't want to walk too far. The next morning, we went and grabbed breakfast across the road, and I can confirm this was one of the best coffees and breakfasts we had during our road trip. We spent one night at the Sebel before it was time to head off on our next trip. We loved our stay here and especially loved that it was pet friendly as well. We hope you enjoyed watching our experience staying at the Sebel in Canberra. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.